Hey guys, Connor with Reuse It. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install our magnetic entry strip. You're going to start with the hook and loop mounting strip refill. Remove the release taper. Firmly press the adhesive side to your barrier to attach it. You got your mounting strip refill on. You can use the cut guide, cut down the center with your magnetic entry strip. Unfold it, take the strip, fold it in half like this. Then you're going to attach one side at a time. Take the unattached side, come down the other side. If you want a wider entryway, you can T-cut the bottom of your barrier, and this is how you do that. When your job is complete, simply remove the magnetic entry strip, fold it up, and it's ready for your next project.